Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious curry for biryani. First, let's gather our fresh ingredients. You'll need about 2 large onions, 2 medium tomatoes, a 2-inch piece of ginger, and 4 cloves of garlic. Decide on your protein, perhaps 1 pound of chicken or lamb, or a mix of vegetables. Finally, measure out your essential spices like 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of cumin, and 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. Now, let's build that incredible flavor base. Heat about 3 tablespoons of oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add your finely chopped onions and sauté them patiently until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color, which usually takes about 10 to 12 minutes. Next, stir in your freshly made ginger garlic paste and cook for approximately 1 minute until it becomes wonderfully fragrant. Then, add your ground spices and cook for just 30 seconds. It's time to add the star of our curry. Carefully place your chosen protein, whether it's chicken, lamb, or vegetables, into the pot. Sear it on all sides for about 5 to 7 minutes until it's lightly browned. Then, stir in your chopped tomatoes, along with about 1/4 cup of water, to create a rich sauce. Reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let the curry simmer gently for 20 to 30 minutes until the protein is tender. We're almost there. Now is the perfect time to taste and adjust the seasoning. Add salt to your preference and stir in about 1/2 teaspoon of garam masala for that authentic, aromatic finish. Finally, generously garnish your rich, flavorful curry with a handful of freshly chopped cilantro or mint leaves. This delicious curry is now perfectly prepared and ready to be layered with your fragrant biryani rice, creating a truly unforgettable meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.